Dark skin, deep rooted. You smile crazy and your ass stupid. I gotta ask, do you jump around a half an hour just to put your jeans on and you kinda laugh? We getting faded. The weekend vibe, I know it's your favorite. You and your makeup. Flashback to the summer that we broke up. Put a hole in my heart like a donut.
What's going on, Weekend Vibes family? It's your girl Lady G, and I'm back with another video. As promised, I am dropping part 2 of this baby shower series. Can I get a round of applause for that? In today's video, I'll be showing you how I put together this DIY diaper cake, and it was very quick, simple, and easy. So stick around to see how I do it. So again, I started off as my baseboard using these cake stands that I got at the Dollar Tree. I've seen people use different variations, but the cake stand works best for me. Of course, you know, if you're going for like a certain color and theme, you might want to use like a different color, but the amount of diapers that I end up using, I was able to cover the entire baseboard and it wasn't showing, so it still was on theme. I guess the more diapers you use, the more that it covers, and I actually only needed one cake stand. In previous times when I made a diaper cake, I actually used all 3 cake stands that I purchased, but with this new method that I found, I only needed one. In the previous DIY video that I did for the diaper cake, I actually just cut it down to size, and it was very hard to cut because one, it's a very thick core board. I don't know how to say that word. I don't know what's going on with me, but anywho, yeah, so this method was much better because I only needed one cake stand. And as you can recall from the previous video where I had the balloon tape that I was using for the DIY bear floating stands, I'm using the same thing here to hold down the old paper towel roll. I saw this idea and it was genius. It was much better than my previous method where I was gluing everything, and I don't even think those diapers could be used because I hot glued them. But in this one, I've seen multiple videos where they're using like the old paper towel rolls and they're using that as the base. So I started off with 3, and this is the method that I used to roll. I already had some pre-rolled for the previous DIY, but it's real simple. I'm rolling it, tucking it in, and rubber banding it. And I started off with 3 to hold up the base. And then after that, I just continue adding around the pole until the board was filled to my liking. There's multiple videos on YouTube that tell you, oh, you need this amount of diapers. And you know, at first, when I first did it, I did do a count of how many diapers, which I didn't even end up using all of it. Nevertheless, I just continue rolling to my heart's desire, and I just continue going around the base. The first method of this is probably getting like at least a good like even 3 to hold it up. You probably want to put like 1 or 2 at the back and 1 at the side to at least, you know, get that baseboard frame, and then you can just continue building. And as you can see, I just continue building around it, adding more, and then getting a larger rubber band to go ahead and secure the next level, or the next layer, I should say. But yeah, everything, like I said, everything came from Amazon, like in the previous video, with an exception to this baseboard. The cake stand, I got it from the Dollar Tree. I got the pack of diapers on Amazon. I can't remember the pricing, but it was pretty cheap compared to everywhere else that I was seeing it. And the pack of rubber bands, again from Amazon, it's like 500. I still have some left over. If you guys want to know any of the items that I got for this video, just hit me up in the comments and I'll go ahead and paste the link. So after I got the first bottom layer to my liking, again, you know, you can fill up as much as you want. I know some people probably would have filled up the edges a little bit more, but I was happy with that amount. I have this ribbon that I got from Amazon. Again, very on brand with theme. It's a baby bear boy theme. So it's a lot of like those baby blues, and some of the other things that I put together, you'll see in part 1. Some of the other DIYs, it's more nudes and tans and this same baby boy blue. So I got this ribbon from Amazon, and I'm not the best at tying bows, but I'm gonna make it work. So this first method that I thought to do was to tie a rubber band and then tie a bow, but the rubber band was showing too much in the front. It did not look cute. So you'll see later in the video where I actually remove it and I just do a regular tie, and it actually came out really cute, and I was able to fluff up the bows. I've tried to watch multiple videos of how to make it, and it just has me in a chokehold. So yeah, there's me on my iPad trying to look up different ways to tie bows, and it just was not working. So no matter what I did, but yeah, but it still came out cute, you know, because I have a way of making things look cute. So that's what I did, and I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you're notified every time that I post, and share this video. Get this video to at least okay, thank you.
Want to, man.
So the bow did not turn out half bad, and like I was telling you guys, yeah, I did not know how to do it. For the very bottom layer, I did keep the rubber band, but for the next two, I did not use the rubber band method to tie the bow. And look, it was Kenan and Kel. I was watching that on Netflix. Shout out to Netflix, because it brought back a lot of nostalgia of my childhood to see that. So here I am just doing the second layer. I'm not adding as much diapers because it's supposed to resemble like a cake. So you know how like the layers of the cake get smaller as it goes to the top. So yeah, and like I said, this method was so much easier to use because the last one, it was just, it still came out cute, but it was very difficult to try to get the diapers to stay glued to the boards of the cake stand. And with this method here, I just followed the wraparound of the paper towel roll. So this was such an easier method. And when I tell you, this video is not even that long, so y'all better watch it to the end. But it really did not take me long to do. I think the most tedious part of this entire video was probably like rolling the different diapers up. Although it wasn't like hard, it was just a lot to do, you know. And everything else was so simple, so easy, and I already had an idea of kind of how I wanted to lay out the centerpieces that I got. The centerpieces that I actually used for this video were actually cake toppers. Yeah, cake toppers. I was looking for like little small toys, but I couldn't find any. And the cake toppers were actually the same thing that I used for the previous diaper cake video that I used. I just typed in the type of theme and I found the cake toppers. So yeah, again, if you want any of the items that I got, just hit me up in the comments and I'll link it. And I'm already on the top layer. So like I said, this took no time to do. Very simple, cute, and it just adds like a little to a baby shower. I don't see these anymore, like people making them. I feel like it was more popular back in the day, but yeah, I don't see a lot of diaper cakes at showers. But like I said, very simple, cute, not inexpensive at all. And yeah, and then that's me getting better with the bow. I didn't even have to use the rubber band. So anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned for part 3 of the baby shower.
Straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Hey, yo, talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peep, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the work, put it up for my seeds. No care for the IG, just no care. Anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
Whole lot of people need to hear this. It's a lot of names on my hit list. I'll still say what he wants to. Still wet like a big. I should run a whole blog at this rate. They using my name for clickbait. Even wanna start fake beef. Just said a little weep in the mixtape. They know I'm the bomb. They ticking me off. Say anything to get a response. I know that mean they traffic is slow. Somebody just gotta practice along. So she being tamed. I'd rather be wild. This is brandy. They wanna be down. Soon as got something to sell, they say my name. Destiny Child. Everybody wanna be lit. Everybody wanna be rich. Everybody wanna be this. They fuss you out. Hate me. Bring my problems. Suck my all of that talking. I'm calling it out. Public opinions from private accounts. You not a check, then you gotta bounce. Back of the drip, come get it now. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. This is mad. This is trash. This is the grouch. See me win, they gotta hurt. Ouch. So when they see me, what they gon' do? Up on the couch. Back.
Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
Ladies and gentlemen,
There's something about this girl, man, from around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings, but it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away, simply run away. You can try to run and hide, it won't make a difference. Can't lie to yourself. Like that back when I met her. The lavish life from all the ghost mud. Before the double R, I had to hitchhike some. Her friends didn't like dudes like us, but I arrested the coochie and the feelings got caught. Spiderweb sex must have got caught up, but there's more to it. I remember once saying let's on the peons. Let's go to Vegas and watch Celine Dion. Make them say
I gotta ask, do you jump around a half an hour just to put your jeans on and you